feather razor that everybody's favorite. The reason that we like this type of razor is it has guard, so it's never gonna cut your finger, and it just gives very beautiful texture. Okay. Pro tip about using feather razor when you're doing a haircut is using fresh blade with every haircut. That's holding it like you're holding a pencil or pen or brush. Okay, and I like to move my fingers. Okay. So I'm gripping it between my index and my middle finger and rest that on my thumb. Okay. And then I move these two fingers. Okay. The reason I like to hold the razor this way is this movement is a little bit more, the angle itself is not as wide as when you're using your wrist. Okay. So I can do a little bit more precise cutting, or when I carve out, I have better control with the hair. Okay. So I would love to use this. So another way that you use razor is you can use it horizontally or you can use vertically. Okay. Let me demonstrate. So another pro tip is when you are cutting with a razor, make sure that hair is evenly saturated. It is really good idea to use a leave-in treatment, which one of my favorite is Fanola leave-in Neutral Keratin. Okay. And also my other favorite product is Sebastian Portion 9. This is a leave-in treatment that I put on every client, every mannequin before I cut. It will give me nice protection and also give me barrier and the slippage. So my cut will be nice and smooth. Okay. So say that I'm cutting this length to here. Okay. I'm gonna put my razor that is parallel to the floor. My angle is slight 45. Okay. So when I go in 45, I can definitely feel, I call that the bite mark. Okay. As soon as I feel that bite mark, I'm gonna turn my razor a little bit more 45 degree, and then I'm going to move my two fingers. Okay. So most people are very concerned with this, right? So when I use razor, I always check what I have in my finger, because this is what I have left in here. Okay? So that's how you take off the length. And then if I want to go in and texturize this, okay, I can go straight perpendicular to the floor. First, I'm gonna turn my blade slightly 45 so I can feel that bite mark, okay? And then go in and carve that out, okay? So as you can see, that is what I have left behind. So let's do one more section. Go in, feel that bite mark, and that's okay. So I hope that this will be a little bit more helpful, not to be so afraid of using razor. But if you really want this technique, okay, we do have hands-on class that every Monday. There is a class called razor cutting. Everything that we do in that class is nothing but razor technique. You're gonna learn 2 different haircuts. Please join us at paulsbeauty.com, and I would love to see you in class. Okay? So bye for now.